Welcome to the Windows Club. You shut down your laptop with 80% battery remaining only to turn it back on a few hours later and find it's dropped to 30% or even completely drained. Fortunately, this issue is usually caused by a few Windows settings and it's often easy to fix. Here is how to do so. Let's get started. Turn off fast startup. Although first startup helps your computer boot faster, it doesn't perform a complete shutdown. In some cases, hardware components continue draining power even after the laptop is turned off. To disable it, open the control panel, go to Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Now click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown settings, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Save the changes. Disable USB power off charging. Some laptops include USB power off charging feature. While useful, it can also continue drawing power from your laptop battery after shutdown. Depending on your laptop model, this option may be available in your BIOS, UEFI settings, or the manufacturer's utility software. Disable Hibernate. Hibernate is designed to save your current session to the hard drive before turning off the laptop. You can temporarily disable Hibernate to test whether it's causing the problem. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run this command to check the available sleep states. To turn off hibernation, type this and hit enter. Restart your computer and monitor the battery after shutting it down. Change Intel Management Engine interface settings. If your laptop has an Intel processor, this fix has worked for many users. Open Device Manager, expand System Devices, look at Intel Management Engine interface. Right-click it and choose Properties. Open the Power Management tab. Uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your computer. Now shut down your laptop and check whether the battery continues draining. Check your battery health. If none of the previous methods work, run a battery health check. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run this command. Follow the path and check the report. If the full charge capacity is significantly lower than the design capacity, your battery may simply be reaching the end of its lifespan. You can also use your laptop manufacturer's diagnostic utility. And that's how you can fix a laptop battery that keeps draining even after shutdown. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows troubleshooting guides and practical PC fixes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.